Hello and welcome back to a new video, and in this video I'll show you how to fix verification required on App Store. For that, go to your settings and tap on your name. There you can see payment and shipping. Open that and it will require your Face ID, and after unlocking ensure that you have added a valid card and ensure that you add a new or a valid payment method or update existing details. And also you can go to check any unpaid subscription. Go and check, and you can go there and check if any subscription is pending. You can simply block them. You can simply pay or tap to cancel them. And if you have multiple cards, remove old or invalid card in payment shipping by tapping them. And if that didn't help you out, you can sign out and sign in. For that, go to your settings, and again we need to go on this same thing, our name. Tap on your name and scroll down, and there you can see sign out, and restart your device and sign in back and and then refresh your account. That should help you out. I hope this video was helpful to you guys, and if you have any questions or queries, just let me know in the comment section. Thank you for watching.